In this video, we are going to discuss how to make something look metal in Blender. There are two ways to make something look metal. The first way is to use image-based texture, just like what we have done with the concrete and the wood. To do that, we would select the part that we want to be metal. We would cancel off the material, so by selecting the beach ball and then cancelling the material, clicking New, click the yellow dot beside base colour, go to Image Texture, press Open, and then find a picture of metal that you have downloaded. You can then press Tab, A for all, UV, unwrap. You may also wish to increase the metallic to make it more shiny and that the light's going to hit it so that it looks metal. Another option that you can do is to select the part that you want to be metal, cancel off the material that's on it currently, click New, and this time select a kind of grey shade that you would like. And again, make sure that the metallic has been increased and that the roughness has been increased or decreased depending on how shiny you would like it to be. Both can give a metallic finish. The image-based metal is usually more realistic. However, by playing about with the values of the materials, both of them can be quite effective.